Hello everyone, this is Courtney from Ava. Today we would like to discuss our newly deployed section for you to analyze your SKUs deep down. Here we are right here. Ava's SKU performance card is a comprehensive overview of your product's performance on Amazon, from sales and advertising metrics to inventory and profitability analysis. This powerful tool enables you to dive deeper into product performance and make data-driven decisions. Let's go ahead and click on that. On the product listing page, you can access important information at a glance: fulfillment type, SKU status, ASIN, product name, total sales, and ad spend, all based on the last 7 days. This overview provides a quick snapshot of the product's performance and helps identify areas that require attention. Let's go ahead and click on the details to have a closer look. The product info card displays crucial sales and spending information. The flexibility of the date filtering options ranges from 7 days to custom dates, allowing you to analyze performance over specific periods of time. You can monitor your organic sales and advertising sales here. Also, one of the unique features of Ava is that you can check out this product's attribute sales to analyze the performance of your ad campaigns. Attribute sales means the end user clicked on another product with advertising, but ended up purchasing this product. You can also have this information in bulk for all your products by going to the Advertising Center here, clicking on Reports here, and then going to your Advanced Product Performance Report. We also have a video for that you can check out for that topic. Thank you. When you click on the Sales and Profits Analytics sheet right here, this chart, you will see the profitability of your SKUs with total sales, total expenses, and units sold. It further breaks down the metrics such as units, sales amount, shipping, etc. You can analyze this data daily or weekly and export it for your detailed analysis. Going down to the traffic and sales, you can analyze product visibility and customer engagement. The traffic and sales chart tracks key metrics, including total page views, total sessions, BSRs, which is your best sellers rank, and unit sessions. These insights shed light on customer behavior and provide valuable information for optimizing product visibility and driving sales. On to the key performance metrics. This is where you can see a breakdown of metrics such as the margin, ROI, ACOS, TACOS, and RAOs. This is if you are running an advertising campaign for the product. This information empowers you to refine your advertising strategies and maximize your returns on investments. And last but not least, we have inventory, reimbursement, and the refund chart. Here's where you can see the inventory availability, fulfillment center transfers, and inbound stock. It also represents data on the reimbursement quantity, reimbursement amount, and total refunds, enabling you to manage your inventory and finances effectively. With Ava's SKU performance card, you can unlock a deeper understanding of your product's performance and take your e-commerce success to new heights. You can follow our other videos to get more insights on the Ava platform. Thank you.